Managing IT support at scale can feel overwhelming, especially as your business grows and support tickets pile up. So, how does GoTo Resolve help you manage IT support efficiently without losing control? In this video, we're diving into how GoTo Resolve makes scaling IT support easier, but I'll also give you a look at some alternatives that might actually work better for your needs, so stay tuned until the end to find out which one I recommend. Let's start with the first thing that sets GoTo Resolve apart: automation and ticket management. The platform allows you to automate repetitive tasks and manage tickets seamlessly. You can set up workflows that prioritize tickets based on urgency, so you're always focused on the most critical issues. While GoTo Resolve does a decent job with its ticketing system, it can get a bit complicated if you're managing multiple support teams with different needs. It's not the most intuitive for non technical staff, which could slow things down, especially in large scale operations. Next thing, remote support and troubleshooting. GoTo Resolve is built with remote IT teams in mind. You can connect to any device remotely and troubleshoot without leaving your desk, which is a massive time saver. However, some users have reported that connection quality can be hit or miss, particularly if you're working with users in remote areas or on slower networks. It's a great feature when it works, but it can occasionally cause issues that are frustrating for both IT teams and end users. The third thing is security features. GoTo Resolve offers strong security, including encrypted connections and secure file transfers, so your data is protected while you manage IT support. But here's the thing, while they do have solid security tools, they're not as robust as other competitors on the market that offer more customizable security protocols. Depending on your company's needs, this could be a deal breaker if you're handling sensitive data. Next, let's talk about scalability. GoTo Resolve is designed for businesses of all sizes, and it does a good job of scaling up. The downside? As your team grows, it's easy for the platform to become overwhelming. The user interface can feel cluttered, and without proper setup, it can be hard to track everything that's going on in large IT support teams. If you don't invest time in setting up the system properly, you'll waste a lot of time trying to get everything organized. The fifth thing is integration with other software. GoTo Resolve works well with many popular tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and Microsoft 365, which makes it easier to integrate your support system with the tools your team is already using. That said, the integration setup can be tricky, and support for certain niche tools isn't always as smooth as you'd like it to be. Now, let's wrap up by talking about the alternatives. While GoTo Resolve does a solid job overall, it's worth considering other platforms that are built specifically for scaling IT support with more customization and automation. Some competitors offer better integration, more advanced security options, and a smoother user experience when managing multiple teams. For example, Freshservice and SolarWinds are known for offering more flexibility and control in large IT environments, with better security features and more intuitive ticket management. So, what's the best option for you? While GoTo Resolve is a solid choice for many, I think you'll find other platforms like Freshservice might give you better scalability and features that align with your goals. But here's the kicker. Through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive and extended free trial of GoTo Resolve, along with some of the best alternatives that also offer free trials and could better meet your needs. Use our link to get the best deal and enjoy these exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.